Microorganisms, often invisible to the naked eye, play a vital role in our ecosystem. They are everywhere, from the depths of the ocean to the soil beneath our feet. These tiny entities, comprising bacteria, fungi, viruses, and protozoa, collectively make up a significant part of the Earth's biomass. Despite their microscopic size, microorganisms influence numerous environmental processes, making them essential in maintaining the balance of life. Bacteria, one of the most common types of microorganisms, exist in various shapes and sizes. They can be cylindrical, spherical, or spiral, showcasing a diverse array of life forms. These organisms engage in essential functions, such as decomposing organic matter and recycling nutrients. Some bacteria are beneficial, aiding digestion in our gut, while others cause diseases. Understanding their dual role is crucial for harnessing their benefits and mitigating harmful effects in public health. Fungi, another group of microorganisms, are fascinating and complex. They are responsible for breaking down organic material, thus helping in nutrient cycling. Fungi can exist as single-celled organisms like yeasts or as multicellular entities like molds and mushrooms. They play a critical role in food production, fermentation, and even medicine. Penicillin, a groundbreaking antibiotic, is derived from a type of mold and has saved countless lives, highlighting the importance of fungi in healthcare and our diet. Viruses, although technically not classified as living organisms, also fall under the category of microorganisms. They are much smaller than bacteria and require a host cell to replicate. While some viruses can cause diseases, others are being researched for their potential benefits, particularly in gene therapy and medicine. Understanding their life cycle and interaction with living organisms is essential for developing effective vaccines and treatments. Protozoa, the single-celled microorganisms, contribute to ecological diversity. They inhabit various environments, from freshwater lakes to the intestines of animals. Protozoa play a crucial role in controlling bacterial populations and as a food source for larger organisms. Their existence illustrates the intricate food webs of our ecosystems, emphasizing the interconnectedness of life. In conclusion, microorganisms constitute the foundation of life on Earth. Their impact is substantial, affecting health, environment, and industry. As we delve deeper into understanding these microscopic beings, we unlock new possibilities for medicine, agriculture, and environmental conservation. Appreciating the world of microorganisms not only enriches our knowledge but also highlights the vital roles they play in sustaining life as we know it.